Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. We're going to do another unboxing video today. Now, truth be told, I am currently unboxing this and it is December 3rd, but you might be watching this in the new year or even after Christmas in the off week. But I'm diligently working on getting you some content to put out hopefully soon. And I'm going to use some of the stuff that's in these bags. All right, first things first, I caved and I got Beary Happy Holidays. If you're not familiar, this is it's an older Lawn Fawn set, and these two bears, you can actually make a spinner out of them. They're super duper cute, but I really love this fishing rod and just everything about this. I think it would coordinate really well with some of the releases from last year. I'm thinking Bear Sweet Den and that kind of thing. Then I also got the Tim Holtz layering mask for the moon. I love this. I've been looking for something like this for a long time, so I'm really happy that Tim came out with exactly what I've been looking for. And then, this is the free gift with purchase that I got from Simon when I placed my order. I really like this. I'm a big fan of just some simple stamps with sentiments on them that you can use throughout the year. This is great. This is fantastic. And then it looks like it came with some of these stickers as well. Wonderful. Okay, and then, this one. I was so excited when I saw this. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So this is from Pretty Pink Posh. It is the Layered Ornaments Stencils. And the way that these work is it's a 3-part stencil. So here's the outline. Here's the detail. And here's the toppers. And when I saw this, I immediately thought that the toppers would be beautiful with heat embossing in gold or silver, but these little details, I thought these would be fantastic for foiling. So I really wanted to get it and try it out and see what I could come up with. And I don't know if I'll get to use them this holiday season, but considering that I don't feel like I'm gonna have enough cards to send out this year, I think I need to start doing what Jen Shirkus does, which is that she gets cracking on Christmas and starts making her cards really early and throughout the year. And that way she's always got a stash of Christmas cards available to send out. Okay, now, that's nice. It was, you know what? It was nothing. There we go. Nothing was happening. I got this Versamark pen. It's kind of like a Versamark ink pad, which is the clear embossing ink, but in a pen form. And then I also got Gina K's Glitz Glitter Gel in gold because, Christmas, why not? And look at that. It's just so pretty. Is this open? Oh, it totally is. And yeah, I have a video that I will hopefully have shared by now, but I'll talk about how I have a Glitz Glitter Gel that's super dry and what I did to fix it. If you guys have any recommendations for if you don't use it too often and it dries out on you, what you do. And then this is Simon Says Stamp Ultra Fine Antique Gold Embossing Powder. I've watched Kathy Zilski use this thing so many times and I just love the color. I think it's perfect for Christmas, so I thought I'd get myself some. And then finally, these are all the new pastes from Lawn Fawn. I'm so excited for these. I hummed and hawed if I wanted them, needed them. And when I saw what the design team was doing with the different pastes and their different products, I just fell in love, so I decided to get some. So this is the glow in the dark. I don't know if it's charged up. Let me try and turn off all my lights and see what happens. There's one and one more. It's not quite charged up yet, so maybe another time. Let's get the lights back. All right, there we go. Okay, this one is just white. This is the silver, and it's got a bit of a sheen to it that you can see. Oh, that's really pretty. Here's pearl. Oh, and I love that pearlescent look. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. Okay, and gold, of course. Oh, this is more of a yellow gold, but still beautiful. And then last but not least is fairy dust, which is like the white paste got attacked by Prisma glitter. It's so tasty. All right, that's great. So let me get those out of the way. And then I do have one more package. So at the same time that I was ordering these, there was a really awesome sale going on at Simon Says Stamp. And I placed 2 different orders because I had 2 different discount codes. So, you know, gotta get your stuff. And I am so excited for this part. I'm a little shocked it didn't come in a box. So I'm hoping that we're not going to have any disasters in here. But I went ahead and expanded. Oh, wow, they packaged it really well. My COPIC marker collection. This is a great way to package these. Wow, good job. Simon Says Stamp. That's fantastic. Okay, so you can see I kind of have an array of colors in here. And let me tell you a little bit about the purpose of these. So I have become newly obsessed with Jen Shirkus, and she has 50 colors of COPIC markers that she recommends that everyone have to get them started. Truth be told, this actually brings me up to a count of about 165. And I also purchased a few extra grays that were not on her list just to round out my gray collection, because I find that I'm constantly wanting a different shade. I really like the warm grays and the cool grays, and I only have a few neutrals and no toner grays, so kind of working my way through the different grays. But these colors were the only ones that I was missing from her recommended colors. There's about 27 of them, so I had already about half of what she recommended, and I purchased the other half because it was 20% off, I think is what it was. That's a really great deal on Copics. And I've been watching for it for a while. I think it's just once a year. So next fall, you guys, is when the Copics will be on sale again at Simon. And it is a really great deal. Also of note, if you are a Simon Says Stamp connoisseur, like I am, I should probably move this so you guys can actually read the different colors. They have raised their prices for shipping up to Canada, which I am totally fine with, because they now track door to door. So like, I'm in BC. We've had the floods, these atmospheric storms, also known as the Pineapple Express. And it's really nice to know exactly where my package is, if it's been rerouted, and where it's coming from, where it's stuck, so that I don't have to freak out that it's been lost in the mail, because I've definitely had those fears before. So even though it's taking a month for something to get to me, I know that it's coming, so that's good. So just a word of caution for all of you that do that. And that's it for me for today. So you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you had a Merry Christmas if I do air this after Christmas. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.